You ever been working on a project and you need to transfer a hole from a thick piece of material to something you want to mount it to, and you just can't get like a pencil down in there, even something that's got a relatively long nose on it like that, even something like that, you just can't get anything down in there to mark where you want to drill your mounting hole. That's where a set of these comes in. What's going on, guys? My name's Bill, and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesday, I like to bring you guys tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've just been using on projects in and around my garage. These are transfer punches. These are perfect for marking a hole through thick material. So let's say, you had something like this 2x piece of material here, got this like 1/4 inch hole, whatever it is. I wanted to drill and tap this piece of plate to bolt it to. But a pencil doesn't reach through there. Even one of these welder's pencils, it's just too large to get down inside that hole and mark where you want to drill it. Transfer punches. These come in a kit of various sizes, and all you do, really simple, you find the transfer punch that best fits inside that hole, nice and snug. This one has a little bit of wiggle room, but the next size up is just really tight, so I wouldn't use that one. So you go with transfer punch that best fits inside that hole, drive it down, then you get yourself a mallet, hammer, little hand sledge, whatever, and you just mark your hole. Give it a couple of good taps, and there is your perfect hole for drilling your mount. That's pretty much it, guys. They come in a kit like this. I'll leave some links down below to a bunch of different kinds, and they just come in really, really handy if you're building a mount for whatever it might be. If you're building a custom bracket to mount like an alternator in a car, you could take your alternator, set it on a piece of plate, mark your holes with it, and then it'll give you where to cut. Anything like that. Like I said, even trying to mount, a thick piece of wood to a piece of plate gives you a perfect center hole every time, right where to drill. You tap that hole, move on. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.